Hey everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to continue the previous video about JFoenix tutorial series. And today we are going to learn more about radio button. In the previous video we have tried to implement progress bar with JFoenix. If you want to watch my previous video, link on my video description. But before we are going to the main topic of this video, I'm very grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel growing up. Okay, thank you so much, and let's get started with my tutorial. Okay, first of all I want to say sorry for my English is not good, so if the words I use are incorrect, please help me to point out. Today we are going to learn more about radio button with JFoenix. We can see on the JFoenix documentation, we can go to jfoenix.com/documentation and we can go to the basic component and click here, radio button. Here, JFoenix improve the design of Java radio button by re-implementing its design according to Google Material Design. Okay, so the next step is click on create new project. In the section I use IntelliJ IDEA. If you are not familiar with the software, you can use NetBeans or others. Okay, and I select Java FX, and today I use Java 10 and I select Java FX application and I select next. And don't forget to give your project name. Here I give name radio button demo, and here is project location, and the next step is select finish. Okay, here is our project, and here we have three main files: main.java, control.java, and sample.fxml. Okay, the next step is don't forget to import JFoenix on your project. If you don't know how to import JFoenix on your project, you can watch my first video, link on my video description. Okay, here is our project, and the next step is open FXML file in Scene Builder. Make sure you have installed Scene Builder on IntelliJ IDEA. If you don't know how to install Scene Builder, you can watch my first video, link on my video description. Okay, just right click on the sample.fxml and then select open in Scene Builder. Okay, here is sample.fxml file, and here we don't have anything, and I just delete this grid pane. And today we will focus on JFXRadioButton here. Okay, I want to add stack pane. Okay, I make it smaller. Okay, and just save, and I try to compile this program. Okay, like this, nothing appear on this project. Okay, the next step is select stack pane, and I give fxid root. Okay, and just save. Okay, the next step is I want to add edge box. It means horizontal box here, and I want to add vertical box inside inside of each box I want to duplicate this, so we have two vertical box. Okay, and I want to add JFXRadioButton inside vertical box. Okay, and I want to add radio button on the another vertical box, and I want to add label one more, and save. And now we have like this, and select on each box and baseline center and maximal height, max height set to 300 and max width 400 and spacing set to 100. And on the VBox, spacing 40. Okay, like this. And in another VBox 14. And I change this label to maybe Java version. I think 20 and another is 20. And I change this label to operating system maybe. Okay, and I change to Java 8, Java 9, and another is Java 10. And this is Windows, Macintosh, and the last is Linux. Okay, the next step is I want to add something like toggle group. I select Java 8 and I search toggle group, and I think toggle group, and I add on another. And now when we try to compile this program, it will be like this. Okay, and now we just should choose one Windows or Mac or Linux. Okay, nice. Okay, the next step is maybe I want to add padding on this VBlock. And I give class on every radio button. I select this one and I add style class custom JFXRadioButton. And on the label I give style CSS, radio button title, radio button, save, and okay, like this. And I want to add another style class, maybe here, plus, and now go to the main.java. I delete this. I set scene to root and on primary stage I set scene to scene, and I want to set scene width to 500 and height to 400, and I want to set title, maybe radio button demo. And I want to load CSS file. Okay, I need to create CSS file. Here, style sheet, main.css, and scene.getStyleSheet. .add and I need to something radio button demo. Okay, the next step is go to the main.css file and we can make our radio button more beautiful with style sheet. Okay, we just need to call from selector custom JFXRadioButton. From here, custom copy, and I want to make font size FX font size 16 pixel, and I just need copy this, and I want to make stroke width 2 pixel, and FX fill transparent. And the next step is I want to change selected color on the custom JFXRadioButton blue, red, and green. Okay. Okay, FX fill. Okay, it means FX text fill. Set to and JFX selected color. Okay, and JFX unselected color. And I just need to copy this. Copy this code and change this to red, and another is green. And I change this to red, and I change this to green, maybe green. Okay. Okay, just run. Okay, look like this. Blue, green, and red, and on the left side is default radio button. And we can modify this stroke width to maybe 6 pixel, and it will be look like this bulb. Okay, I think enough my tutorial today. If you have any question or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much, and see you again on the next video.